Helping your scared cat feel safe, a guide to getting over anxiety. It can be stressful for both the owner and the cat to have a cat that is always on edge. If your cat is scared of everything and everyone, you need to take care of their worries so they can live a happy, full life. This guide will help you understand why your cat might be scared and how to make them feel safe and comfortable. Figuring out what scares your cat. Cats can be scared for many reasons, such as their genes, bad experiences as kittens, not getting enough training, or traumatic events. These are some common signs that a cat is scared. 1. Hide. Your cat may look for safe places to hide around the house to avoid what it thinks are dangers. 2. Avoidance. They might try to stay away from people or other animals and stay alone. 3. Aggression. Cats that are scared may act aggressively if they feel trapped or attacked. Grooming too much. Some cats clean themselves too much as a way to deal with stress or anxiety. 5. Freezing or running away. If a cat is scared, it might either freeze in place or run away quickly to safety, making the earth a safe place. To help your cat get over their fears, you need to make sure that your home is a safe and comfortable place for them to be. You can do the following. Give your cat places to hide. Give your cat places to hide, like cardboard boxes, cat condos, or cozy blankets, where it can go when it's feeling stressed. Set up a plan. Cats like routines, so make sure they have regular times to eat, play, and be quiet to help them feel safe. Respect their space. Don't try to connect with your cat or get in its way. You should let them come to you on their own terms. Use products with pheromones. For example, fell-away diffusers or sprays give off relaxing pheromones that can help cats feel less anxious. Make vertical space. Cats feel safer when they can see inside and outside from high places. Put up cat trees or shelves where they can climb and rest. Desensitization over time. Over time, slowly exposing your cat to things that make it scared can help desensitize it. Here's how to go about it. 1. Figure out what scares your cat. Pay attention to what makes it scared and slowly introduce those things into a controlled setting. 2. Start small. Start by exposing yourself to the trigger in a low-intensity way, like by playing recordings of sounds you don't know or looking at a faraway picture of strangers. Girl, use positive reinforcement. Give your cat treats or praise when they stay calm around the trigger. This will help them make positive associations with it. 4. Increase exposure gradually. As your cat gets used to the exposure, slowly increase the amount of time or strength of it while keeping an eye on their stress level. If you need help, get professional help. If your cat's fearsome behavior doesn't go away despite your efforts, you might want to talk to a vet or animal behaviorist. They can look at your cat's behavior and give you specific tips and treatments to help them deal with their nervousness. To make a scared cat feel safe, you need to be patient, understanding, and take the initiative. You can help your cat get over their fears and live a happier, more confident life by making their surroundings safe and supportive. Using gradual desensitization techniques and getting professional help when you need to. Remember to be patient and steady with your work, and over time your cat will probably start to feel safer. Could this mean behavior be because my cat is a boy or because it is young? Yes, a cat's gender and early life events, even when they are very young, can affect how they act and interact with other cats. How to do it. Changes between men and women. Because of hormones and genetics, male and female cats may have slightly different personalities and social habits. But behavioral traits can be very different between people of any gender. Here are some general patterns that can be found in each. Male cats, or toms, are more likely to be protective, especially if they haven't been neutered. Might act more assertively, like spraying urine to mark their area. Can be friendly and loving, but also independent. Women cats, also called queens, are usually more shy and careful, especially if they haven't been spayed. If they've had kittens, they may be caring and motherly, maybe less protective than males. Childhood memories and making friends. A cat's behavior is also strongly affected by the things it goes through as a kitten. Between 2 and 7 weeks old, kittens go through a very important socialization stage. This is when they learn how to interact with people, other cats, and their surroundings. Such things as positive socialization. Kittens that are exposed to a lot of different things like people, other animals, and new places are more likely to become confident and friendly adults. Negative experiences, traumatic events, not getting enough socialization, or bad relationships as a kitten can make a cat afraid and anxious later in life. Even though a cat's gender and early events can affect how it acts and interacts with other cats, each cat has its own personality and temperament. Knowing your cat's history and giving them a supportive setting with lots of positive reinforcement can help lessen any bad behavior they may show. If you are worried about your cat's behavior, talking to a vet or an animal behaviorist can help you understand what your cat needs and how to give it those things. How soon can this stop happening to my cat? It can take a cat anywhere from 1 week to several months to stop acting badly around other cats, based on its personality, past experiences, the severity of the behavior, and how well the behavior is treated. Here are some general things to think about. Differences between people. People and cats are both different, and what works for one cat might not work as quickly for another. Changing a cat's behavior might work right away for some, but it might take longer and more patience for others. All being consistent and having patience. When you want to change a cat's behavior, you need to be consistent. It's important to use positive reinforcement methods consistently, make the surroundings supportive, and stay away from situations that make people afraid or anxious. Also, you need to be patient because improvement may come slowly. 3. Early intervention. The sooner you deal with your cat's bad behavior, the more likely it is that you will be successful. Getting involved early, especially when the kitten is still a kitten, can help keep ingrained fear reactions from turning into long-term behavior problems. 4. Professional help. Getting help from a vet or animal behaviorist can speed up the process of getting your cat to stop being mean to other cats. These experts can look at your cat's behavior, give you personalized help, and suggest specific ways to deal with the causes of its fear and anxiety. 5. Factors in the environment. Giving your cat a safe and interesting place to live can have a big effect on how they behave. Giving your pet a lot of places to hide, vertical space, mental excitement through play and interactive toys, and a regular schedule can all help lower stress and anxiety. 6. Medical things to think about. Cats may act mean sometimes when they are trying to hide a health problem, like pain or discomfort. It's important to talk to a doctor to rule out any possible health problems. While there is no set date for when your cat will stop being mean to other cats, many cats can make big steps forward over time with patience, stability, and the right kind of help. Enjoy the little wins along the way and keep in mind that it takes time to trust and believe in your cat. Thanks for watching. We're glad you joined us to learn more about cats and deepen your bond with them. If you enjoyed the video and want to share it with your fellow cat lovers, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, remember to turn on notifications so you won't miss our new videos. Until next time, stay with cats. Goodbye.